In front of me is HONOR X7A, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock on this HONOR. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Security section. In it, click on App Lock. Select Enable at the bottom and pick one of those options. If you want to use your screen lock to unlock your apps, click on Lock Screen Password. If you wish to create separate custom PIN, click on Custom PIN and then create it. You need to repeat it in order to confirm it, and then answer this security question. If you don't like it, click on it and select one of those. If you don't like any of them, just click on the question, tap on Custom Question at the bottom and create your own. To save it, click on OK in the pop-up. Remember to answer your question correctly below. When you're ready, tap on Finish at the bottom right corner. Now click on any switcher next to one of your apps that you wish to lock. In my case, Chrome. So when I click and go back, then try to access Chrome app, I guess that PIN is now required. If you wish to disable app lock from any of your apps, go into the same settings, enter your PIN or lock screen, and tap on blue switcher next to your app. In order to disable app lock completely, select this gear icon at the top right corner and then tap on Disable App Lock at the bottom. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Then enter your login method or PIN one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!